Alright, welcome back. I got an achievement called On That Grind Set. Use 500 stamina in one day. Wow. Nice. Rocky. Oh my goodness. No. I can get builder stuff whenever I need it. That was fast. Nice. 3, huh? Figured they made him later because he's big. I don't wanna. I probably will anyway, but... Okay. Copper plate, rubber tube, bronze pipes, basic leather, copper bars, engines, bronze blades, and copper pipes. I actually have to go back into that, back into the breach. Because that's the easiest way to get engines. I should probably set some of this other stuff to craft, but... eh. Yeah, I need to do this twice. Which shouldn't be too hard. Since your stamina can't be depleted in here... Oop, I ran straight past the treasure chest and I can't get back up to it. Since your stamina can't be depleted, though, the only real limiting factor here is inventory space and HP. So, you may as well play defensively. I believe you only have to kill one of these robots to open that door, and I don't know if it's random or if it's always this one. It's always that one, okay. If you go in that other door to the left there, it just closes you in and you have to fight the bots to get out. Oh no. Bone necklace. What is that? Huh. I am low on HP. That's okay though. Another bone necklace, huh? All I have to do is fight the boss without taking probably more than one hit of damage. Easy peasy. Let's see, do I have any food that heals HP? Stamina. I left my food at home. That's okay. It's just a 1v1, and you can stagger them pretty easily. I didn't actually get hit there. Do I have inventory space for the engine? I do. S rank. Alright, that's one. Can I do it again without dying? Probably not. So, I'm gonna go back to the base. I was just seeing if it was shorter to go this way or that way, and it looks like they're about equidistant. Okay. Copper plates. Rubber tubes. Bronze pipes. Bronze blades. Copper gears. Let's make some more copper bars while we're at it, and some more bronze bars while we're at it. Power stones are too heavy. Rubber scrap, all of it. And the fine wood scrap. And then I'm gonna bank. How much HP does my fish heal? Or whatever food it was. Omelets. 70? It's not that much. Well, it's more than nothing. And the bread. Crit rate. Interesting. I'm just trying to see if I should go back in today, and probably not, I don't think. Copper plate, rubber tube, bronze pipes. Basic leather. And then copper pipes. Yeah, I have all the raw materials. The only other thing I'd be missing is a second engine, but I drained 1300 HP just getting to it, and then soloed the boss without actually getting hit. If those dudes didn't gang up on you so hard, I would just go back in. Actually, I have an idea. Wait, I'm broke. I'm not that broke. It's only 1 p.m. Let's swing by the Blue Moon and see if they have any food. Hey, Owen. They should have a daily special thing. Yeah, this. Sand tea noodles and spicy and sour potato for 8 gold. Didn't heal my HP at all. Great, thank you. I'm glad I spent the money. I was kind of hoping that I would be able to see what the status effects were by mousing over it, but I guess that's not a thing. Okay then. Meantime, what do we do? I could murder some more Yakmils for their hide. And the milk. The milk is actually good HP. I thought I emptied my inventory. Guess not. Would I prefer to have poop or a horn? A horn that I never use or fertilizer? I'll take the fertilizer. Yeah, see, there was a bottle of Yakmil milk that got put in this bag. In fact... I don't think broken power stones have a use. I can only get my Yakmil milk on here. I have to murder the Yakmil first. I think my Yakmil is watching me and just like, okay, sociopath, just don't hit me next. I'm guessing the hair is for the tailoring station, which I've never used. Oh. Why'd all that go in there? Was it stone? Marble. I almost left marble on the ground. That would have been a catastrophe. You can mine that monument, but I don't think I have the inventory space for it. Now I do. Also, I think sometimes just restarting your game is enough to cause some things to trigger, which might be a good reason to restart more frequently so that I could potentially get Rocky's trigger quicker. Do I risk it? Sure, why not? Wait. Oh no. I'm gonna get yelled at for not doing the thing. Ow. Ow. Stop throwing garbage at me. This was a poor idea. This was a very poor idea. Remind me not to go in with this low of HP again. Oh. Vending machine. HP is too expensive. Oh, you can buy fluorite here. Neat. 300 HP. $78 gold though. I can't sell here. It's gonna be a close one. Techno Cup. I've never seen that before. That's funny. Did I get lucky? Did I just get like severely lucky? I did. Oh boy, camera piece 2. It's exactly what I always wanted. Okay. All I gotta do is solo the boss again. NBD. You didn't bring your A game, and that's why you lost. I brought my A game. I was born with my A game. That's great news, though. That saves me so much time tomorrow. You know, I might actually call this an episode here as well. It's been productive. I got 2 engines. I forgot about this completely. That would have been useful. It's okay. All right. I'm calling this an episode.